You know, when we have kids, I'll have to get a place just like this for them to spend their summers.
When we have kids?
Yeah, you know, one day.
One day. You know, my dad will expect us to be married first.
Yeah, and?
Are you asking me to marry you?
Do you want me to?
One day.
I'm sorry.
Jesse?
I'm so sorry, Kayla.
Jesse, where are you?
They're all around me.
Jesse, stay where you are. We're gonna come and get you.
They're everywhere.
Jesse? Jesse!
C'est quoi vous vendez ici?
C'est des épingles à linge.
Ah, ok. C'est parce que ça fait quasiment 1 an que je travaille à côté, puis je sais pas, je me demandais toujours c'est quoi vous vendiez. Moi, c'est Lily.
Enchanté, moi c'est Elliot.
Enchantée, Elliot.
Hi.
Hey.
You've been crying? It's nice to see you too, Chloe.
Do you know how my mother died?
No.
She killed herself.
Because of you?
That would be really sad, wouldn't it?
You did nothing wrong, you know.
Hooterville Fire Department, you light 'em, we fight 'em. Oh, yes, just one moment, please. Sal!
Everything all right?
You think we could turn this place into a restaurant in 24 hours?
Not a chance.